Hi everyone. I was sitting here. This is taking these apart. This is a package of hanging decorations. They come from Dollar Tree. The whole package was $1. Okay, and I picked these up the other day because I knew I had some things I wanted to do with them. And then I was sitting here taking this one apart and realized just how much of this package is really usable. I bought this for these die cuts. Now they're taped to the string and you have to very carefully peel this off. I think I have torn one, maybe two, just a tiny little bit right there. This one's a little bit torn, but that's okay because of ideas I've been having while I sat here. And I just wanted to give you just this little tip. I probably wouldn't have held on to this string, and then I realized this string is perfect for tying in signatures. It's a good weight. It's nice and long pieces. I have skeined it up into little skeins. Now, what was odd is that there's two different weights in here, but that's okay. It doesn't bother me. But I just wanted to give you some ideas about some of these things. This is a hanging decoration. Okay, so you have to take it apart. You know, you have to roll up your string. But then look at the front of the package. There's a whole nother set of little images that I'll have to fussy cut out, but it won't take that much, and they'll be easy enough to cut out. So then I will have big images, which I can use as, if you think about it, I could put it down here and glue it down on one side, and then it would be a tuck for a tag or something like that. You could put white paper or some sort of paper on the back side, and they would become journal spots in their own little selves. They make great decoration. They're going to, I can just see a whole journal of ideas all of a sudden. And now, I seem to have misplaced the outside package, but I can see little envelopes and things like that in your journal made with this packaging. Now, the other thing is that Dollar Tree, when they do these, this is a spring fling, and these have been in the stores, and I just hadn't gotten them, and then I decided, oh, I might like them. And now I'm sitting here and I'm thinking of all the things I can do with it. You know, tags, tucks, journal spots, pockets, that kind of thing. Decorations for other things. But they also have napkins that match. Okay, so this could go on the page, and then this. I mean, there is all kinds of. These are treat bags, which I hadn't picked up, but then Lisa told me, Lisa from Lisa My Eclectic Lives said she had gotten them to cut out all the images, which gives you another size of image. So, I mean, I can see a whole journal with just a couple of dollars and some copy paper. So, we're probably going to be doing that in the future. But I really wanted you to see that every part of this packaging has got some kind of usable part of it. I can't explain it, but you know, like I said, I bought it for these. And I wasn't even thinking when I bought it about using the string. But the string is perfect. And then the cover, you know, I probably wouldn't have just pitched it, but I didn't have it in my head when I bought it to cut these out. And then, like I said, I think when I did the Dollar Tree haul video that I have laid this packaging piece aside, but I'll be hunting it up so that I can make some kind of little envelope or something with this, or window, or you know, because this would be cute as a window in a page. So I just wanted to see that, just a little tip, just a little idea, maybe to give you an idea about something, you know, that you might not think about ahead of time. I'm looking for my little book to give you a quote today. So this is going to be a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity, and then I'm going to go finish this one and put aside some stuff that I now have an idea to make another video and another journal. So I hope you all are doing well. Okay, I like this one. Imagination is the beginning of creation. George Bernard Shaw. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.